Airport Guide Kids Game. Oh, I need to catch the flight. Open the door. What's the meter? Okay. Insert the coins. I shall take out my baggage. I need to get my boarding pass. Insert the iCard. Need a stamp on the boarding pass. Hey, I got my boarding pass. Well done. Need to get my passport checked. I need a stamp on it. Look at the shape and put the stamp. Oh, that's my air ticket. Wow, formalities completed. Need to get my luggage weighed and scanned. Oh, it's overweight. I need to remove some weight. Oh my God, it's also overweight. I need to... Time to put the bags on the scanning machine again. Here it goes. Here it goes. They are going to scan me now. I have to put it in the basket. Now all clear. Need to wait in the waiting area. All the luggage will get into the plane. The man is coming with the trolley. removed from the cart. Attach the conveyor belt. Place the luggage on the conveyor belt.